Hi, my name is Pablo. I restore car in French, German, Ukraine, Russia, Canada, 6 different countries on 2 different continents, and I know everything about restore the car. And today we speak about rebuild. For example, I pick this red Volkswagen Jetta 2019. It's only 35,000 kilometers. And look, yeah, it have front hit, some damage on the fender, and almost nothing inside. Just set of rod and the rod support. So why car going to rebuild? Rebuild, it's all car what you buying from ACBC or from auction. When car going for salvage yard, it's automatically not clean title. Why it's rebuild? Because if you damage your car, going to insurance company, and the insurance company send you only to certify body shop, and this body shop make estimate and repair your car with all technology. But if you buy car from a salvage yard, insurance company don't know nothing about how you restore this car. Yeah, after you have to pass inspection, only after that you can drive on this car. But usually this inspection not means that you driving good car. So, for example, you remember the damage on this red Jetta? This is rebuilt. But this is the car without all front. This is clean title. This is also clean title. Why? Because this car after accident come into our certified body shop and we restore with all technology. When you restore it like this, it means that your car is still clean title. So what we have? Rebuild, it means good car? No. Clean title, it means good car? No. Every car what you want to buy, you have to look. In Canada, lots not good clean title. And lots not good rebuild. Yeah, you can buy 10 clean title and 10 rebuild, and 5 from clean title it was good, but from rebuild it's only 1. But anyway, you have to look any car and check it with someone who know about that. Because if this car restored on certified center, it's not means that it's good car. Yeah, all we people and many body guy who have red seal have no so much experience to restore car properly. That's why every car you have to look. And now you can see how I restore this car. Let's go to look. Okay, start repairing. For repairing, I buy a new hood, grill, rod support, original set of rod condenser and all this stuff with fan, bumper, fender, all brackets and lower grill, all plastic what going inside. And now remove all front parts, vacuum AC and all liquid, and start change rod support and all front. Look at this. This is really lucky car. Absolutely nothing. No damage on the body, on the frame. It's perfect. So we just remove and change broken parts, adjust all gap. After remove all new piece for paint. To make we do blend on this door and do blend on this fender. One important thing when you charge in the system, change O-ring. It's to make sure that it's not leaking in the future. Usually when you have charger, you have set with all O-ring, all size O-ring, to change any O-ring on any vehicle. All repairing is done. We start in paint all tiles with car. in a professional paint booth. And now it's completely painted. Look at this quality. Without dust. Shining good. Look. Looks like original. The work. And now we have to put this all together and car is done. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Usually, if you look to rebuild, it's shitty paint. But here, look at this. Awesome. Okay, put this together. And now all work completely done. Yeah, I need only wash car, maybe little bit clean inside, but the rest is good. Check all gas, how looks paint. It's perfect. All gaps is really good. Like on the brand new car. And it's only 37,000 kilometers. Now it's ready for new customer. I don't know which clean title car you have or rebuild, but I know one. This car is really good. And if you need good car, that's it. Anyway, if you have any problem with collision and you need some help with repair or restore something, you can call or ask any questions. And remember, not matter where you do your car, matter who do your car. Rider group, probably it's best what you have in our area in British Columbia. We have good team with best equipment on the right place. Thank you for watching. Bye.